How are you doing? I'm letting everyone know about the Turbo $3 Cash Machine. It is a one-page website that has no hosting fee. So all you got to do is pay the one-time payment of $3, and everything is set up for you, and you have it for a lifetime. And basically all you do is drive traffic to your site, and you know, people are basically paying $3 for the cookie cutter site that you're getting, and, like I say, if imagine that five people come to your site and sign up and decide, oh, I'm interested in driving track, getting my own site, and that's $3 per person, like $15, and like just check out the numbers, and a lot of people are averaging like $3,000 a month, and it's really not that hard. Like I say, 30 minutes of work per day can really make you a lot of money if you choose to, go that route. So I know people that are spending more money on eating out, maybe even drinking coffee, Starbucks or something like that, that is giving them no return. But this right here, you can pretty much guarantee to get a return off of the $3 that you spent, and the profitability, the income potential with this system is unlimited. So for something that you spent $3 on, can make you money like over and over and over again. You know, it's like I said, $3 is a lifetime, long term investment, and like if you're interested in more information, and my number one recommendation, click on the links down below. It's all in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment or whatever. And I would suggest, it's something that you should check out, because, people are making on the upward side of like $300 a day, if done correctly, advertising this correctly. So like I say, all you got to do is spend the $3, get the website, and drive traffic, and everything else is pretty much just a no-brainer, because the price is so low. All right, see you at the top.